students, Mrs. Ernst here, and today we're going to look at Wednesday. So for Wednesday, you're going to re-listen to the story once again, Welcome Home Bear. We do this so that the children really get to be able to focus on the whole story instead of just bits and pieces of the story. So we have the story, Welcome Home Bear, and then you have a response guide that you're going to go through. This is character, setting, problem, and solution, okay? After that, we have a forming letters and blending game. Then we have art, and for art, we're making abstract word painting, or you have your choice of the choice board. Afterwards, we have a video from the Berenstain Bears about money, and then you're going to complete an assignment. Now, there are 3 different ways you can do this. You can either have your child work together to create a list at home that they could earn money for doing. Practice money in either the version 1 or version 2 textbooks, or you could go to teeks.mathgames.com/money and you can pick one of these at grade level activities. Now, the only thing I'm going to remind you, these are not really what we're focused on this week. We are not focused on do they know the names and values of coins. We are focused on do they understand the concept of I have to earn money, okay? So this is a good practice if you see your child struggling with identifying, but that's what this is for, okay? Afterwards, that's it for today. Please do not forget iStation Reading and iStation Math every single day. You guys have a great day. Bye.